So let's start with the evening.
Yes, so let's reminisce your 3 years of college life with a small little game. So we would like to call upon Danica to take over.
Yes, so hello everyone. So all of y'all have been together for like 3 years now, and I'm sure these years have been great, and y'all have gotten to know each other really well. So this game is a small test to see how well do you guys actually know each other. So for this, we have put together a couple of facts from a number of different students from your class, and you guys have to guess who this could be. And you have to tell us who do you think it is and why, and why do you think this fact is associated with them. And whoever thinks that they know the answer can unmute themselves and answer. So let's begin. Okay, so let's go ahead with the first fact. I secretly like shipping people in class until it leads to where they actually start liking each other. So
I know.
class,
Kimberly. It's Kimberly.
any more?
Really, sir? Really?
Yeah, listen, you said this to me like
I think
three
it's
times this
Tesha.
week.
Sir, I
I
like
think it's
making ship
Tesha.
names.
I think it's Tesha.
I
That's
don't
Shami.
Tesha for sure.
Tesha.
It's gotta be Shami.
No, man, I think it's IRB.
It's Kimberly.
Dude,
Oh, shit.
dude, these SYs are saying my name. What the hell?
Any more guesses?
Miza.
Well, that's the answer is Lisa. Now you guys know who to go to in case you need a match.
Actually, I'm not surprised. No, sir.
Wait, I don't know anymore.
Don't I get anything for getting it right?
I arranged for a hammer and broke a lock in college. So I am clueless about this, but probably you guys know why someone in class would actually be desperate enough to break a lock in college. So any guesses for this?
Chris, is this you?
This is Apurv.
No, like it's Apurv because he lived there.
Garvit. This is
I
Vansh.
mean, I thought Apurv because he lived in the
Elton.
hostel.
Even I thought
It's
Apurv.
Elton.
I think so it's
Probably
someone
was
from
confused
Malvan.
and like,
Who
he's
was
like,
in text? Is it Karen? Is it Karen?
No.
Yeah,
Yes.
Arsalan
Someone who
wrote it
did
right. It's
this
Amol.
during fest, for sure. For sure during fest.
I thought one of the people who lived
And
in the
why do you
hostel.
think they
So I
would have
said
done
you.
this?
Why?
No.
It could be Apurv because he stayed in college for so long and even with
Exactly.
IMC and everything.
Apurv or Vansh, who all stayed in the
Like-
hostel in FY?
I said no, but okay, fine.
It was Vansh and Apur, so I guess it's.
Ananya as well, bro.
Ananya,
No,
definitely.
Okay,
I
tell
would never do that. Ananya would pay for a locksmith.
Why do you think I will bring things? Which is
Anyway, the answer for this is Mohini.
What the hell?
It came to my mind.
story time. Story time.
What the hell is that
possible?
It was Vansh.
Yes, Mohini, would you like to elaborate on this?
Yeah, story
Yes,
time.
please.
please.
I think Sana will do the honors.
No, I think it's your story to tell more.
This is basically a GCR law. And we guys broke it because Sana couldn't find her key and she's stupid. So that's what happened.
I remember this. Yeah, okay, now I do.
Okay, then moving on to the next fact. I love eating chalk.
It's Adit.
Garvit.
Adit, it's Adit.
It's Adit.
No, it's not that.
Bhumika is written down.
It's Bhumik.
I'm just thinking of someone who probably seems like a teacher's pet, but
Bhumika, we didn't know
teacher
this.
for different reasons. Any guesses for
Yeah,
this?
Can you repeat?
Do you all have any guesses for this one?
The answer is Bhumika, right?
It was written. We've seen it. Saw the answer.
Okay,
It's
so
written
I'm
down,
not
you know.
really sure the answer. But anyway, the answer was Bhumika. Okay, so moving on to the next fact now. I can swim better than I can walk. Let's see how well you guys know each other outside of.
That's Chris.
Oh, that's not great.
Wait, no.
Isha.
I can't swim. I can't swim.
100% it's Isha.
She can't breathe.
No, he can't talk. Da.
It's
It's
Isha.
not.
It's Isha.
Facts. But I think so. It's Isha.
100% has to be Isha.
Could be.
I guess there's some national level swimmer.
I agree, guys, but I haven't written this. Guess I have another friend in class who can swim better than me.
Else.
Okay,
I guess it's Vedant.
No, it's not Vedant.
No, he can drink better than he can walk.
On point.
It's not
I know you have a drink. Show us your drink, bro.
One hint, it's a girl.
It's a girl.
Kimberly?
It's Sanjana.
No, it's not. Just look at the faces are not talking.
Are we talking about
Is it
Sanjana
Jalen?
walking? Then definitely.
It's not Kimberly for sure.
Can we get options?
It's not Kim. It's not Kim. So then I don't know.
So anyway, the answer for this is Kimberly.
Whoa!
Karen.
Yes.
By the way,
Dude,
Karen and
Karen was
Kimberly are
surprised he
best
didn't
friends.
Nice, Karen.
You so nicely said it's not Kim.
It's
I
definitely
was
not
not sure
Kim.
it's not Kim. What?
I so knew Devanshi was gonna get this because I said this for my JANFAS GD too, and I'm like, oh shit, she was there.
Who was going to tell me, man? What's wrong with you?
It's a fact, unfortunately.
So anyway, moving on to the next fact now. I was extremely high during the presentation in third sem, and no one noticed.
Yash.
I
Yeah,
swear,
yes,
Yash Prasad. Where is Yash Prasad?
Ash Prasad, 100%.
Yash
That
is
was half
All
year.
Pridesh's presentation, I guess.
Yash, we all noticed. Don't
Is he
worry.
there?
Yash, Mohini, Yogi,
Crush
Apoorvans.
Actually, it's
Who
none
else?
of the answers y'all have just given.
Is it
Bro.
Sid? Is it Sid?
Sid.
It's
It's Yash.
Hans for sure.
Vedant.
Asha,
No,
did he
no.
show?
Adit.
Boy.
It's not us.
Every answer is right.
So
But
why
who
did-
has
It's not Karen. I know.
No, I'm sure all these people have done it, but who sent this in?
I thought this would be Yash, honestly.
For me, it's Yash, but
Bro,
now I
I
don't trust my
think it
answers.
is.
Is it Mohini
Mohini has done
again?
this one.
I don't know.
Moini, I know, showed up to class, but she didn't do a presentation.
Oh.
Arslan guts hai mere mein. Chintan, yeah, I mean,
Anyway,
Chintan.
the answer for this one is Chintan.
Woo!
Chintan.
Yeah.
Chintan, no. When did that happen?
Chintan gives such pleasant surprises, man.
Chintan, do you want to say anything for this?
Chintan Hoja story.
I think that was Neelam
Oh, which
ma'am's
presentation?
presentation. Yeah, it
Yeah,
was
bro,
Neelam. I
Neelam
don't
would have
remember. It was
noticed
either
also.
HRM
Was it
or
first
business
year?
environment.
No, it was not HRM.
Yeah, and I just spoke for like 2 minutes, and those were the longest 2 minutes of my life. Felt like 2 hours.
God, you're a god.
So let's go to the next fact now. I'm really famous at Lalit. What are the waiters know me?
I'm sorry.
Apoor.
Sanjana.
I think it's Apoor. Apoor for sure.
Anju.
Maybe Johan.
Apurva is also
Okay, one of these security people.
It's Apur.
It's Johan Joseph.
It's Sanju. It's
Bro, I think it's Sanju,
She
yeah.
fell on the
It's Sanjana.
beach.
Oh, wait, Sanjana, yeah, Sanjana.
It's Sanju only, bro, I'm sure.
Can be me.
Sanjana's, yeah,
It's
that's
Lalit, so I don't
bonding.
remember.
Hey, bro, it was a security bonding, I remember,
Yeah,
bro.
gate
Fell on a
bonding.
waiter.
I remember the story.
Sanjana for sure.
It's
You
Sanjana,
guys
but
are actually
can be
guessing
me. I don't
right.
remember.
It is Sanjana.
Yes, we know her really well, man.
question.
We know our
Then how did you all feel dressing up after so long? Okay, talk, please. This is too awkward. Somebody say something.
Yo, no, thank you
We
guys
have
so
enough
much.
experience, dude.
Yogi looking good, bro.
Hey, thanks, guys.
Yeah, man. Yogi.
Okay, I just want to ask: are the guys wearing trousers below their suits?
No, man.
Yeah,
pajamas.
obviously.
Question.
Yes, we're not animals.
I am. I was. It was
Yeah,
a big
thing, man.
debate, you know, shorts or
Vedant is
trousers.
staying awfully quiet.
Eric looks like he's ready to go to church. Literally.
Gonna get married.
Yes, Merrick.
More for a funeral.
So what, Richard? Why do you say that?
Merrick.
Just the ending, bro.
What's your answer?
Oh,
Are you wearing trousers?
no.
Yo, where is this leading now,
I've
man?
been Shamik.
Shamik, please not today, please.
Shamik. No, I missed this.
Yeah, man. Honestly.
You
Okay,
missed Shamik being creepy.
Why can't I see Shamik though?
Wearing mask.
Where is Shamik?
Yeah, what's up with Sana's mask, dude? I'm just looking at her.
guys,
Apple
I'll
finally got a haircut, huh?
an
No, bro. Oh, I didn't.
The same.
Yeah, pretty much the same.
It's like seeing you after 2 months.
Can we continue?
तू class attend नहीं कर रहा है. I got a haircut 1 month ago.
Yeah, bro. I just log in and see.
Danica, you can start.
Okay, so actually just one factor left. After that, we'll be done with the game. Okay, so moving on to the last fact. I held my crush's hand for an entire lecture.
Sonali Shamik.
Shamik.
Sonali, one of them.
I cannot
No, I saw this. I was sitting in the seat behind them, so I witnessed the entire thing.
Yeah, no, this is an everyday thing.
you both actually.
Ayurvi. This was back then.
We need.
It's one of the four.
It is something Shamik would definitely flex about.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, Shamik.
Anyway, the answer for this one is Sonali.
Oh my god!
Oh,
You know what?
It's almost the same.
I can bet Shamik sent this writing Sonali.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, but I wrote this. Shamik
You're a
has
bigger
no,
I am impressed.
Anyway, this is the end
Isha,
of the
sorry
game.
for all the pain that you had to go through.
I loved it, guys. I enjoyed it.
Yes, I hope you'll actually have fun. This is the end of the game now. And we'll
Okay.
have events.
Yeah, so also it's amazing to know how well you all know your friends. So next up, we have a few performances prepared, and we would like to call upon Akash to perform for the same.
Hey guys, I'm so stoked to meet all of you here. I've had so many memories in a Zephyrus 2020 and this ESL 2021 and 20. So really a lot of experiences, and it really sucked that we could not meet offline at this time, but as many memories possible itna create karte abhi. So attempting to sing a song here, Friendship ke upar. It's a Hindi song, and let's get this party started. And just one sec, guys. I hope I'm audible now. This if somebody could put a thumbs up or something, but I'm not using the headphones now. All right, so if you guys know this song, please do vibe along, sing along, and I'll really appreciate it. But mute karke rakho, obviously. And all right, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. यारो जी भर की झील पर लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा यारो जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा यारो जी भर की झील पर लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा यारो, जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे कल बुलाएगा। है जुनू साथ जीने में, है जुनू साथ सीने में। ना 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 na 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 कहीं जैसे कोई धुन बजे, राहों में देखो है मंजिल सजे सारे हम जहां में हर जगह, सपने सजाने की हमको मिली वजह, कहीं जैसे कोई धुन बजे, राहों में देखो है मंजिल सजे सारे हम जहां में हर जगह, सपने सजाने की हमको मिली वजह। ये अगर जो सच नहीं तो सच भला है क्या यारो, अपने अंदाज से दिल की किताब से कुछ तो नया लिखो यारो, अनजानों की फिक्र ना करती ये उम्र, फिर क्यों भला करो है जुनू सा जीने में, है जुनू सा सीने में, है जुनू सा जीने में, है जुनू सा सीने में। That's it, guys. I hope you liked it.
So nice.
Great one, man. Great.
Very nice. Very nice.
So good. That was amazing. Guys, can we have a huge round of applause for him, please? Let's do the Mexican thingy. Yay! Amazing. Okay, so next up we have Cassandra. Cassandra, you have the floor.
Hi, guys. I'm so excited to meet you all. I really never got to interact much in my FY, but I'm really glad I have such fun and easygoing seniors. I've heard a lot about y'all from all of my other classmates, and I really hope that you guys like the song that I sing for y'all. I think all of y'all should know the song, and sing along if y'all know it. I'll go ahead and just let me know if y'all can hear me because I'm going to remove the earphones. Am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. And if you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. 'Cause I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. Oh, find out what when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. 'Cause I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. Oh, I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. 'Cause I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
Woohoo, guys! She deserves it. That was a beautiful performance. Lovely voice, Cassie. We
Thank
all loved it. And I guess you all was a little too emotional to hear the song, huh? I could see that on your face.
So to continue, we are going to take a break and we're going to again play a small little game so that, you know, you get a little up and running and the enthusiasm is maintained. So Tanushri, can you continue?
Yes. Hello, guys. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so this is our last game for the evening, and you all will have to leave your seats for this game. So get ready. So it's called Scavenger Hunt. We'll be giving you a list of 7 items, and the first one to show us that object on camera wins, even though there are no prizes for it, but okay, just for fun. So are you all ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. So show us something that starts with the letter C. Okay, Isha is yours.
What a clutch.
Okay, Isha gets this round. Shown as a clutcher. Show us your selfie. You all can unmute and so that we can notice you.
Wait, what did you say?
A selfie, your selfie.
Oh, Isha, you got it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think the pro should stop playing.
Okay, Isha and Vedant. Next is something you can't live without.
My mom.
Oh, I think
Okay.
everybody gets it. Oh, Shamik,
Yeah.
good one. Nice. Plus
What
points.
did he show?
The oximeter.
Vedant, wow. Wow.
I'm being honest.
He's being very honest.
I hope you all noticed, huh? What he did.
नींबू पानी था यार.
अच्छा, नींबू पानी.
That's a lie.
We trust you, Vedant.
Then we can ignore it.
Okay, next. Get someone in front of the camera with you.
In isolation, guys.
Isolation.
My sister's too shy to come on camera.
Not.
Okay, I think Miza is getting some.
Yay.
Yes, Miza gets this.
I also have my friend here
Oh,
next to
Kimberly
me.
also.
That's
Okay.
Kimberly, Sonali,
I
and
think
Miza.
Vedant wins.
That does not count.
Shamik wins. Shamik.
Oh, wow. We see 2 Sonalis now. Cute.
Okay, up next. Get your hand wrapped in a toilet paper or a tissue paper. You guys running for this one again.
Isha won
Okay,
again.
why do you have everything ready?
Isha, are you
Okay,
ready
Isha
with
gets this.
everything?
Yeah.
Everything.
Even
Isha,
Guys told
Spesha.
Isha kya before like
The game is rigged, guys.
Antara.
Isha has everything.
Answer.
Yeah.
That's
Just show them your
Even
bag.
Antara.
Okay, Isha, Spesha, and Antara get this one. Second last, show us something yummy. Okay.
Just look at
Apoor.
Karen. Look at Karen there.
guys.
Okay, a lot of y'all got this one. Okay, this is the last one. Get a red lipstick in front of the camera.
Oh god, it's gonna take a long time.
Reza first.
Oh wow. Actually,
Oh, Vedant.
Why is Vedant having a light?
How does Vedant have a red lipstick handy?
That too,
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Like as a
Player,
We were
player.
expecting Spesha.
where Vedant, can we ask where are you right now then?
Vedant, we have a lot of questions.
Yeah, anyways, we are done with the game, Vedant. We'll ask you questions.
Are we done?
Please answer.
Yeah.
Okay, this is mom's.
I'm next to the dressing table.
Convenient answer.
Understandable.
Liar.
Okay, Radhika, you can take over.
Okay, so guys, we hope that you enjoyed the game. It was fun, and you're again up with your enthusiasm. So now we can again head to the performances. So next we have Josh's performance. Josh, are you here?
No, it's a recorded one. Faris.
Okay,
This is
okay.
the recorded one. I'm sharing
Okay,
this
okay,
with
cool. So we can go ahead with it now.
But it's specially dedicated to y'all. I mean, you'll get to know
You
why.
all will love it, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on.
now. So yeah, that was from Josh as soon as possible. And
So guys, I know he's not here, but can we please have a huge round of applause for him? Yay! Akash, if you could stop sharing. Okay, so next up we have a live performance lined up from Kimberly. She's an FY. Kimberly, you have the stage now.
Can you all hear the music? I'm singing Memories by Maroon 5. I hope you like it. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feels like December when somebody say your name, 'cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah, everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, but everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause cause it bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost. When I felt of all the hatred was too powerful to stop. Now my heart felt like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, that you never know I'll drop. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones who were lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you.
That was amazing. We loved it. Guys, can I please see your hands up? Okay, that was a lovely performance and we loved it, Kimberly. Thank you. So moving on, next we have Sargun. Yeah. Can I start playing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stay ahead.
Just a second.
Lambo truck ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸੁੱਤੀ ਹਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਜੀਤੇ ਸੀ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਸੁਣੇ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਦੀ ਬੇਬਾਨਾ ਭਾਲ ਕੇ ਬੇਬਾ ਗਾਉਣਾ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਲਿਰਿਕਸ ਚੰਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੱਲ ਕੇ ਸੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਖੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਲਾਮ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਦੀ ਬੀਟਾਂ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਟ ਕੱਟ ਤੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਦੀ ਬੀਟਾਂ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਟ ਕੱਟ ਤੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਦੀ ਜੀਨਾ ਲਾਈ ਪਸੀਨਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਰੰਗੀਨਾ ਚੋਪਰ ਸ਼ਕੀਨਾ ਕੱਪਾਂ ਚ ਲੀਨਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਮੀਨਾ ਕਈ ਨਾਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਛੱਡੇ ਕਸੀਨਾ ਕੇ ਤਰਾ ਕੇ ਰਾਉਂਡ ਤੇ ਜਪਾ ਕੇ ਦਾਰੂ ਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੁੰਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇਸੀ ਜਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਦੀ ਬੀਟਾਂ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਟ ਕੱਟ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰ
Okay, that was amazing, Sargun. Thank you so much for this.
For all the brown Mondays in the house, huh?
Okay, guys, clap, 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 clap. Yay! All right. So next up, we have a few speeches for the TYs from the SYs. Mehak and Ashima.
Hello. It's going to be fun. Okay, so I'm going to speak first and then Ashima is going to go. Okay, so here we go. So greetings to the graduating batch of BMS 2021. Quite a ride you guys have had, I must say. To all the Bollywood buffs, are you all feeling like Aditi from Jani Tu Ya Jani now, after she realizes that she's actually going to leave college? Or did you all have this feeling a year back? Okay, that was rude. But yeah, so before I attempted to write this speech down, I actually really stalked all of y'all on Instagram because I want to know how close y'all are. And that sounded really creepy. But So I realized that you guys are probably attending this session here together, despite the long hours of work Xavier's puts us through, the never-ending CIAs. I'm sure y'all have had at least a couple of 100 mental breakdowns by now. Friendship fallouts, breakups and whatnot. And not to mention a pandemic. Your batch, after seeing all this, your batch seems like y'all guys actually still like each other. And y'all have gone through everything together and y'all have gone through it together. And that's great. Kudos to that, your bond and your genuine friendship. Y'all made it. Okay, so my first impression about your batch was that y'all probably have orgies. I mean, no judgment, guys, whatever works for y'all. And someone telling me once that, they just drink and hang out a lot, yeah. The latter is probably my only dream about college, but Xavier's really gave me a reality check. Okay, now here's a special thanks to Miza, who solved everything that I told her by imitating a cab driver, a townie trying to catch a cab. I mean, that really helped me. Also, Richie Cheta, who thought giving me advice on how to make tea. Okay, wait, my parents say. how to make tea while we were completely baked. Great going, Richie. Really wish we could have gotten to spend more time together, gotten to know y'all better. I'm sure Xavier's and BMS is gonna miss you guys as much as y'all are gonna miss it. This should really be happening either in KitKat or Lalit with minimum lighting and nosy waiters. But here's to a great 3 years. Cheers, guys.
Wow, thanks, Mehak. So that was Mehak's message. And guys, for all of y'all, a lot of juniors, your SYs, have sent in messages. So look in the chat box for them. Mehak is going to start posting all of them. So look for yourself in that. And then I was given the responsibility to write a sappy speech for y'all. So here it is. Well, when I sat down to write this so-called farewell speech, I was like, bro, I can't even keep the count of the number of things I want to congratulate these people for. Like, for example, making it through 3 years of 8 a.m. lectures in excruciating heat, crazy Mumbai rains, early morning trains, the long Marine Line walks, and still reaching late. For no stress of incomplete homeworks in the lectures of our strictest professors, and for not having to hear, you came to Xavier's didn't come to you. And for finally getting done with the illogical SIP work. And for the effort for finding one chair in the crowded canteen, for finally getting over with the CIA stress and the long CIA weeks, for sitting through the heat of the BMS classrooms on the uncomfortable seats, for continuously falling on the Hogwarts stairs and standing in long queues for Xerox, waiting for your sandwich only to get it after the break ends, and the super long working hours of fest and not going back home for 2 days, blah, 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 blah. I'm sorry, guys, this list is really long. But you know what? While writing this down, I realized it's pretty much worthless because I can't congratulate you guys for making it through or finishing the 3 craziest, most happening, or most dramatic, and the most memorable years of your life. Because no matter how cliche this sounds, here's the truth: 35 years down the line, you're gonna be back home from a very tiring day at work, and you're gonna sit by yourself. And this crazy shit, this crazy dramatic shit, trust me, this is gonna make you smile. So I'll just tell you what my alma mater told me, that today we're not going to say goodbye because this is a really small world and we will meet again. You guys will meet again. And since goodbye signifies the end, we're not going to say that because this, my friend, is just the big thing. So I congratulate all of you all for, making through all these years. And I'm so happy that, everything went so well. But I really hope, this would have been offline. But I think, nevertheless, you made it through, guys. Congratulations.
Woohoo! So I hope you all liked the speech which was given by Ashima and Mehak. So is there anyone else in the line who wants to give the speech for the seniors from the SY? Or we can go ahead. Anyone? Okay, so I don't think there's anyone, but I was just swiping through the chat box and I found that many of you want Sonali's performance, like on demand. So Sonali, do you want to perform for us? You should go for it. We would love to see you. See,
Not
Shamika सबसे पहले
today.
ही messaged.
Come on, you
Today is
have
your
to. Come on.
day.
Small
Come on,
song.
Sonali.
A छोटू सा song or something. Come on, you have to. It's on popular demand, you see.
See, everyone. Shamika सबसे
Oh,
पहले. Sanjana, everybody is typing. Come on, you should.
Oh my God. No, now this Karen. See, after so much talent like that our juniors have, I don't think we stand anywhere good in front of you guys.
You can't say that.
Lee, just shut up.
Yeah.
And also, this is so emotional, man. I'm so sure none of us are prepared for this. None of us are prepared for this.
Definitely.
Okay. So, first of all, thank you so much, guys. I mean, our juniors, SYs, FYs, I mean, in such a small span of, say, 40 minutes or so, I think we have had a flashback of almost everything since FY, whatever we went through. And we were actually missing this bonding that as a class. And I think the chat box today, I think that's more than enough to, bring all of us like together. So, yeah. Okay, I'll sing Aaj Jaane Ki Zid Na Karo for you.
Guys, on demand day, huh? So, come on, Sonali, go for it.
Okay, you all can hear me, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, तू ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर, वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर, चंद घड़ियां यही है जो आजाद है, इनको खो कर मेरी जान जा, रोक लो आज की शाम को, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो. Thank you.
Too good. Oh my God, that was amazing.
Thank you
Loved
so
it,
much.
Sonali, loved it.
Go, Sonali.
Clearly, everyone is in love with you after this.
And I think everybody's insecure. I mean, that's not just Shamik. All right. So next up, we have a little video for y'all from your very own Sony ma'am. So let's have it. So she's really not well. So she did not, like, she was not able to join in, but she took the efforts to make a video for y'all. So let's see it. Okay.
Radhika, it's an audio, and but yes, she's really very sick. I don't want to, make you guys really emotional, but just let me know if you're able to hear her. It's a little dimming, right? Okay. All right.
Dear students, good evening. I'm really sorry that I can't be there in person to wish you all in your farewell, which the SY students have so painstakingly organized for you all, as I am not keeping too well. I'm so sorry that I can't be there actually. My prayers and best wishes are there with you. Do well, stay safe, and all I can say is, as you graduate, do what you like doing, and there are no shortcuts to hard work and success. Don't do anything that will not make you sleep peacefully at night. Life is not about earning a lot of money, but it's enjoying the journey that is there ahead of you. Please remember your parents, your family, your teachers, your friends, who are your true well-wishers. Hopefully I'll get better soon, and I'll wish you in person a big thank you to the SY class for organizing this. Thank you, Neela ma'am, for playing this video. See you guys. Bye-bye. Love you.
Okay, so Sony ma'am wanted to be here, but as we can clearly see that she wasn't well, so I hope you all will get back to her and talk to her for the same. So Neela ma'am is also here. So Neela ma'am, you can go ahead now.
What do you want me to say? I am looking at students who have put on their cameras and who don't put their cameras when I take a lecture. My problem is that. So I'll tell you, look at that Apurva Verma. Apurva Verma, come back. Adit, your camera is also never on. Wait, Chris. Chris. I'll tell no, one I will tell. Wait, Dale, what? Today? All are, and Sana, there she is. Very nice. Yeah, you're looking so good, all of you, and I'm glad you all could make it today. See, my God, you all have made an effort to get ready. Huh? Very nice. Good, good. Enjoy. What do you all want me to say now? I told you very clearly, I'm not giving any lecture or speech or anything.
Sing a song.
You all are ragging me
you can sing a song, ma'am.
Yeah. You sing a song. This Shamik, no? You sing a Sonali, please make him do yoga, man. Come on. Nonsense. Full time he was wanting to do yoga. He wants us to sing us. Who's that? Where is Josh, ma'am? Go Neelam, ma'am. Where are you? Your exam is not over, Josh?
No, ma'am. No, you don't sing. There are other people to sing. It's fine.
Yeah. Sing, you all sing. You all say so. You all enjoyed? Yeah. You all thought you all won't get a farewell, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, yeah. Good, yeah, guys. All the best. Do well. I'm sure you all will do well. This TY was very chilled out. Honestly speaking, I was not very stressed about. Maybe you all are good at hiding it. I really don't know. So I wasn't really too worried about TYs. They were like, theek hai. We'll see. People whose jobs are done, they're like, oh yeah. People whose jobs are not done, they're like, we'll see. So it really didn't, I never panicked looking at them, thinking that how are they coping up or anything. I was like, okay, they'll manage. So yes, you guys have been very, very resilient, and it's meant to be a compliment. A lot of them have been partying also and going for vacations and roaming and all also. Right? Richard gave me 3 names, people who were going to go and visit him. I'm sorry, he's outed you all guys.
None of them came.
Liar.
No, none of them came.
Okay, so they had plans for enjoying also. So I mean, you can't even say that these guys didn't want, they didn't know how to enjoy themselves and all that stuff. But yeah, Adit, I'm very proud of you. Very. Put words. See, Pritesh sir is also there. He will also say, "Bol Pritesh, inko kya bolna hai?"
Pritesh sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, all of you.
How are you, sir?
I'm good.
Sir, how are you, sir?
I'm good.
That sounds good. That sounds great.
हाँ नीलम, what you?
So you wanna say something?
बोल, तारीफ
Pause.
कर इनकी, तारीफ
Say something.
कर, इनको लेक्चर सुनने हैं.
Yes, sir, please.
Turn on your cam now.
My
Sir, who was the best
actually,
student, sir?
Actually,
Was
I
the-
shave my hair. I shave my head because okay, chalo. I will turn on my camera. Don't laugh.
Sir, you are looking handsome,
Maybe sir wanted to
Sir.
punish us. Oh.
Sir, we already saw this in higher class.
Sir, you are looking,
Sir,
sir, you are
hero
looking
लग रहे हो.
Yeah,
handsome,
this
sir.
is COVID
Sir,
effect.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि 20 साल का जवान है कोई.
Chris, please check
20
your
साल
network.
का जवान है सर.
No, Grace, universe is messing with your network. Stop speaking.
First of all, you should be thankful to SY people. I guess SY people organized this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good work, good work, Radhika and group Radhika. I can see Akash, I can see Mehak. Almost all SY students are there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what Neelam ma'am said about this class?
They are very good. They are very resilient. इनको कोई असर नहीं पड़ा किसी चीज का.
But
आराम
one
से
thing is
बैठे
sure,
हैं.
Neelam, they are bicharas. They are bicharas. Yeah. See,
I will not agree.
last year, finishing your TY like this, because of that, they are bicharas.
I think they were able to make good of their time. I don't think it is really sinking into them also that they have not attended and all that stuff. They are missing out on the fun, yes.
That's what, na?
But
Because I personally feel if I would be in TY, मेरा TY ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब my TY should not be like this. This is what I feel. It should be like going college, then creating some memes on teachers, passing comment on teachers, then some gossip, and then festivals. Then last year, because they had a chance to become a vice president or
Pritesh,
something
what
like that.
makes you feel they have not been gossiping now?
But see, यार वो आमने सामने वाला gossip.
ये
man,
लोग है ना,
it's a
इन लोग का
different fun
WhatsApp
element.
is faster than what we talk. They are like,
That's
अरे attendance ले रही है, वापस आओ. Everybody in line. That too, I will not doubt only about these people.
That's okay, Ray. If I would be student, I would have done same thing.
No, one support your life.
Good evening, students. Nice to see you all after a long time.
Yeah, Kishan sir, sir,
A few
yeah.
good
Sir, even we've
How are
seen
you,
them
sir?
after long time, though we teach them.
Yes.
Cameras are on
Yes.
today only.
Yes. Okay. So I thought only my freshers are playing hide and seek with me. But the seniors are also the same.
Yeah. Sir,
Sir, they
Chris
are
wants to ask you
seniors.
a question. Who's your favorite student?
A difficult question asked. But yes, from your batch, I have to select from a TY or an SY.
TY. SY next time we'll select,
Next
sir.
time.
Okay. For me, for TY, I used to always call the CR as my boss. The students remember TY batch because when I joined FY, the present batch which I'm seeing on screen of TY, so that was my very first year. So I was an equally fresher. And to the TY students, I'll narrate an enjoyable incident which came to my mind. I distinctly remember that I was equally a fresher and it was just my first week. And after my lecture, Neelam ma'am's lecture was there. And I thought her to be a student. And I told her, please wait outside. And then she told me, sir, I'm a professor. I said, I'm really sorry. So that incident was the best incident where I thought her to be one of the students who has reported late.
It's a compliment to Neelam ma'am.
Yeah, I'm just trying to recollect that
So
incident.
now we realize who's looking 20 years younger. Correct, Chris?
Chris dare not comment. Chris
Sir,
dare not comment.
Sir, hello. Can you hear me, sir?
Can
you hear me? Hello.
Did you hear what
Can
Kishan
you
sir
hear me,
said?
sir?
Did you hear what Kishan sir said?
And
No, I
can
heard.
never
I'm
forget
telling, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, we can
So
hear
actually,
you.
question was to you, Pritesh sir.
Who's my favorite
Actually,
student?
it's your favorite, sir. Favorite student.
All students who stayed at Vasai, okay, they all, other than them, all are my favorite.
All who students to what? This is some joke, I'm sure.
Other than those who stays at Vasai, okay, all are my favorite. In fact, Virar wala bachchas are nice.
So take the name.
So nobody stays in Vasai Virar?
Ma'am, Chris
No,
stayed
in one lecture, he got angry on me. Sir, why you always talk on Vasai people?
What?
Why you always talk on Vasai people? Why you always comment on Vasai people? Vasai people are always this, Vasai people are always that. I always used to say.
Acha.
So he got angry on me. Because of that, I made this statement.
So more than that, you have tortured me because I am from Pune. Remember?
भाई वो birth का relation है यार.
But in class, you used to say like people from Pune are arrogant and all. And
I didn't say that. I didn't say
Yes,
that.
so ask everyone.
I never said that. I
There
said
is no Pune.
No, ma'am. What sir used to say, like I am proud. I don't. When anyone asks me where I am from, so I will say Thane because I am proud, Thanekar. So I would
Chal, you are from
better
Pune.
saying
What
Thane.
Thane? Now you're coming to our Thane. Chal.
But I see. So see, Neelam, I don't have proud that I used to stay at South Mumbai. You know.
Yeah. That pride you cannot have.
Very close to Kolaba.
Yeah. Adit's FY acting session. What, yeah, Adit? What you used to act?
Jerry sir.
Where is Jerry sir?
Jerry sir.
Jerry sir. So you are acting now, Adit?
No.
Why? We are waiting. Yeah, you are.
There is no board. There is no board because of that.
Lock the door. Lock the door.
No, there is no boards. Neelam, there is no board. If there is a board, then he can definitely.
Okay. Nice, yeah. Pritesh sir caught him. Acha, you caught him.
Yes. In one, I guess in SY. He was.
FS or FI?
It was an FY.
No, SY. Sorry, second sem of FY.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Adit, Kishu sir and Apple. Oh my God, there are a lot of things that are coming out now of the closet. Bread pakoda. Who wants to eat bread pakoda?
First lecture.
Ma'am, it's Adit's issue.
Adit's first lecture.
Okay, you know, guys, I want to share this. I don't think even Adit knows this, okay? But I think, Pritesh, you also don't know this. Adit, when did you go to Switzerland?
2009.
FY, SY, TY. Tell like that.
FY.
End of FY, yeah.
End of FY, huh? Because I was also in Switzerland that time.
Oh, you saw me?
Oh, really? And you were just running away? And trust me, so what? So he was a FY student, and I remember that that semester, I think I and Soni ma'am had spoken to his parents, and we had complained about him, something like that. And you know, when I saw Adit's mom, dad, and Adit FYs, and you all know my memory, you know, I'm thinking I've seen these people somewhere, okay? And every time I used to see, I don't know, intentionally, unintentionally, Adit used to take a U-turn and run. And I was not able to place this guy, yeah, anywhere we went, huh? And then even the railway platforms, huh? So I told my husband, I said, I think these people are from TV. I think I've seen them somewhere, huh? It's just that they are looking at me and running away, huh? So then Ranjit told me, Neelam, he might be a student. Then I'm like, shit, yes, he's my student. Imagine. Switzerland also, you should look at me and run away. Huh? I wanted to catch you there. Then Ranjit said, leave, yeah, let him be in peace. I said, "Theek hai, chal jaane de."
You know, ma'am, I actually didn't know that you were there.
Yeah, really? Adit, we were on the same platform, just here like this. What you're saying, you didn't see me. Nonsense. You, mom, dad, and your brother. Shut up. I didn't see
Ma'am,
you.
you're too busy catching the train, ma'am.
That train had not come.
Not like Mumbai. It's not like Mumbai train that you can just get into it.
Neelam, it must be true. It must be true because he was with his mom, dad, and brother.
Nothing. He was running and telling you. That's how it caught my attention. That
So you're not
everywhere
getting
these
my
people
point.
are coming
Ma'am,
and
maybe I
buying
didn't
and
You're not
recognize
getting
you,
my
ma'am.
point.
Maybe I
Sesha,
didn't
correct?
recognize you.
Sesha, correct?
Yeah, you didn't
Ma'am, you should have
recognize
asked for
me.
his
You wouldn't
autograph.
recognize me. I know.
Ma'am, you should have asked for his autograph. You would have felt on top of the world.
Yeah, right. I should have done that only actually.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. He would have still tried to make me believe I'm not your student. Let me go. Good. Yeah. Right. So all your events are done?
No,
ma'am, no.
we have
No?
one thing planned. So
Yeah.
before we do the last segment, does anybody from the TY want to speak up about anything to the teachers
Or any confession or anything.
anything? Just if you want to. We just
Because
have
right now they
a
have.
left, but before that.
Yeah.
Go
Hello,
ahead.
Mehta sir. Hello, Mehta sir. Hello. Can
Yes.
you hear us? Sir, I
Yes,
just thought
yes,
that
yes,
I'm gonna fail in your subject. I thought. Thank you for passing me, sir. I thought I will fail in your class, sir.
But
You
this
remember,
is a
right?
grace
You
mark.
told me that you are not gonna pass.
Chris, it's applicable for you in all subjects.
But Chris, you were the only students whom I had given official permission to sleep in the class. I distinctly remember
Yes, sir. It's true, sir.
that
It's true. Sir.
officially I would not even look at you.
So it means now I go. I
And
came to know that who's your favorite student, Kishan sir?
Samin, huh?
Yes.
Obviously.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Because
but
he
it
used
was
to
really
disturb me
great
minimum.
having you, sir.
After yes, Radhika Vora, like an obedient student today, after everybody has said something, even I would like to make some confession.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Something good, something with little I regretted. No, first the student's choice.
Yeah.
I'll be
Does
the
anybody
last.
else want to say it?
When you said first the students want to say anything, they can say.
Guys, anybody?
So they don't answer in the lecture. What they will say now? That also they will message. Tu bol, kya bole?
Come on, somebody. Okay, nobody wants to say. Sir,
But
go
see,
ahead.
I would say that way today is the time. Speak your heart out. Zindagi na milegi dobara. You can speak today whatever you wish to.
So we still have 3 lectures left.
Good one, Merrick.
Merrick
I'm
is
glad you all
speaking
kept that
facts.
in mind. And exams.
And also exams.
And also exams. True.
Yes, but such opportunity we don't get over and over again. Okay. So,
Hello, sir. So I want to say one thing, sir.
Yes.
It's
Yeah,
it's for all.
please, I'll be happy.
It's for all the professors. Sir, thank you so much to all of you for bearing me for last 2 to 3 years. I'm really grateful for that. And it was really a great experience to be in your class and to learn things from you. I tried my best to learn things from you all, though I slept half of the lectures, but I tried my best to learn things. And I hope that it will help me in my life. And I'm really thankful for all of you.
Thank you,
Chris,
Chris.
I don't know how good you are in study. Everyone knows how good you are in your study, but you are very good by heart.
Thank you so
that
much.
makes a
It
lot of
really means
100 by 100. You Austin.
Chris was fishing for compliments only.
Yes.
He knew he will say this and everybody
I-
will say,
I
oh,
think-
so sweet, Chris.
No, ma'am, no.
Yeah.
I really
Today he's playing on his own pitch.
Actually, I really didn't want to regret this moment, so I just let my heart out. Right?
Nice.
I won't
Very
regret.
nice.
Good, Chris. Good.
I'm missing one thing. Neelam, you remember we used to click a photo in quad with all the students.
Where I never used to be present,
Okay.
Pritesh.
But students used to call us. And Neelam, मैं भी बोलता था, अब चल नीलम बुला रहे, because one face
So we have photos with
one
you
face
though.
used yes, one face always used to be there first. one representative from professor. But I'm really missing that clicking photo in God with all TY students and their memories, what happened, oh, this happened in Zephyrus, this happened in that event and all. I'm missing that. I don't know. I'm kind of not happy with this type of interaction. Neelam must
Yes.
be agree. Neelam Kishan sir must be.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and it's like meeting what tapli marna. Then there are some students like Priyansh, Pratik, unko chillana. I'm really missing that. Yeah, so it's true.
Yeah, sir, call us back whenever we'll come to click a picture. Tesha is saying, you all will
Sure,
not
sure,
even
sure.
look
Yes.
back. Pritesh, they will come the day they
Oh,
apply for what is that? Their
Further studies or what?
reference letters,
Recommendation letter.
recommendations. Yeah. Then I will. The moment they call up only, I'm like, hello, yeah. What do you want? Reference letter? Yes, ma'am.
But after taking 3-4 years life experience, they will definitely उनका वो heart आ जाता है emotional. हाँ यार, teachers were good, better than corporate. Okay, they used
Tabhi
to
they
take
are all
care of us.
abroad, na settled abroad.
हाँ, but still 5-6 साल के बाद उनको याद जरूर आती है.
Yeah.
Life
So,
experiences.
and
teach
our
us
kids
that.
will always remain our kids.
Yes. Yes, Apurva.
Yes, sir. I
Irrespective
had
of
a
whatever
message
age
for
they grow up
you, as Neelam ma'am said. So, I remember Pritesh sir has caught me copying in FI. He has scolded me for sleeping almost 5 to 6 times. But one thing in my FI, I was quite particular about one thing, that I want to go settle abroad. This is like just my undergrad has to be here, graduation like post graduation from abroad, and then it was like an aim that I have to go abroad because India, a lot of reasons. A big reason, I felt in love with Mumbai, and especially I had the spirit that I have to do something as an entrepreneur for India. I want to stay here, which I really want to do. A big credit goes to Pritesh sir, all his classes and everything he has taught. I remember each and every lecture. Sometimes we are studying finance, something is going on, and then he goes talking about one particular area in Mumbai, his particular experiences, and that really brought me to a, like, it really opened up my world to see ki, okay, there's so many things I can do here. There's so many things which I have to do here because of the capability we have. And I think it's not just me. We have had this conversation in group as well. A lot of people do appreciate that not just Pritesh sir, but every teacher has provided us with a vision that what we are capable of. So thank you, Pritesh sir, and for sure, if I'm staying in India, it's gonna be because of you.
So
Pritesh.
I guess Aniket got the answer.
What?
I'm
What did
real
he?
Mumbaikar.
So
I'm real
even
Mumbaikar.
I want to say something, sir.
Yes, Aniket. Go ahead.
So I think what I wanted to say about it is like Pritesh sir is very different when he teaches in class, and outside class he's like your friend only. So I still remember we used to talk a lot during canteens while walking back to station. And once I remember like me, Sahil, Nikhil, and Pritesh sir, we were just talking for more than 40 minutes in washroom. Do you remember, sir? Yeah. So
I
many
guess,
things. And he used
I
to-
guess that day, one of us would have eaten a bad food or food. Yeah, yes, day before that.
I don't.
I
know,
don't
sir.
remember. It was in FY.
No.
It was in FY.
40
SY, I
minutes,
guess.
really.
40 minutes.
Yeah, more than.
Oh,
Like,
wow.
and yeah, and we used
Wow.
to like talk. We had many arguments, especially between me and Pritesh sir, and especially on politics, and always we used to discuss a lot. And thanks, and especially in TY, like especially in this same, I took retail, but within first 1 or 2 lectures, I felt really regretted because like I thought I won't get Pritesh sir back, so better take his subject. So I took IPM back. So
You must
so
be
thank you,
regretting
sir.
now.
No, sir. No, sir. I will never regret. I will never. And even in class, sorry, other teachers, but it was like in your lectures only, I used to concentrate. Especially, yeah. Sorry, ma'am,
Such a
but
slap on everybody's face.
yeah.
Sometimes some people lie, Neelam.
Hey Bhagwan.
No,
Yahi
ma'am.
sunna baki tha.
Neelam, ma'am, so
Uh,
converse to
actually,
Aniket.
I think, ma'am, I paid attention to yours, ma'am, because of training and
It's
development.
okay. I'm not feeling bad, Johan. You don't need to be good to me.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am, honestly, training and development,
Nothing.
honestly, like really guided me in terms of what I really wanted. And I wouldn't have really thought of like what I wanted to do without training and development.
See, all my TND guys, they are all writing, ma'am, honestly. See, this is loyalty, guys.
Ma'am.
Loyalty.
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am, I want to.
I attended some of TND and obviously I took FRR as well, but it was so much fun to be with you also, ma'am. TND, even though I attended very few lectures, but
Yeah,
the
because
taste
half the
was-
time we were gossiping only, no? So you're like fun.
Yes, ma'am, it's fun.
I don't know, but ma'am, I remember one thing about Neelam ma'am when we were in FY and it was Neelam ma'am's lecture. So I was in class and that time I used to stay in hostel. So almost 15 minutes went and we were just sitting and ma'am didn't come. So I went back to my room and then ma'am came and Nikhil messaged me, listen bro, come back to class, ma'am has come. So then I came back and ma'am realized that someone has messaged him and he came and she told me not to give attendance. And still I gave attendance and then she shouted at me. So that time I felt very, very bad that time. And I had some seniors, ma'am, of course, Snehil Narula. So I told him like this thing happened and ma'am shouted at me. I'm feeling very bad. So he said, it's nothing. It's just chill. So yeah. So
Yeah.
that was
because it was Neelam ma'am.
No, listen.
Because it was
Listen.
Neelam ma'am.
I'll tell you what. This is having a Turkish towel in your hand and slapping your face. Ekto, you come 15 minutes late. So I went up. Then you don't give me. And then what? What? Aniket?
It's my mistake, ma'am. It's my mistake.
Aniket, today you're not in your senses.
Ma'am,
इन्होंने
in that
पहले
case,
पार्टी कर लिया नीलम इन्होंने पहले ही पार्टी कर लिया सर पार्टी कर लिया इन्होंने पहले ही
madam, in
Many
that case,
things.
I remember the TY which is there just now, and I was a fresher, and people used to just walk in, and just twice or thrice I have told this TY batch when they were in FY as freshers and me also as a fresher. I said कि यार दे मंदिर का घंटा बजा के कोई भी अंदर आ जाएगा तो नहीं चलेगा. Some discipline is to be maintained. And they used to always feel that this is the most khadus professor and very strict. But I tell you, TYs, over a period of time, let me admit and something say good about my fraternity, that I was a good, strict teacher, but over these 2 years, Soni ma'am and to a certain extent Pritesh sir made me realize how to take care of kids, and really I became a good teacher. I was knowledgeable. But yes, my progress took place, and this I realized when I got COVID recently. Out of 75 students, almost 50 used to interact with me on regular basis, inquiring about my health. And moment I resumed, one guy just wrote on our informal group, "The king is back." It was something extraordinary compliment, which I've never received. So thanks to Pritesh sir and Soni ma'am for making me a good teacher.
See, Kishan sir.
Yes.
What about Neelam ma'am इधर है इसके लिए नहीं, but I learn all this thing from Neelam ma'am.
Yeah. लगाओ और मस्का लगाओ.
No, that's fact. Because when I joined that time, Neelam ma'am was coordinator and she taught me lots of things. I'm thankful to Neelam.
Yeah.
So even I am thankful. Kishan, so go ahead.
Yeah. Because honestly, I had asked Radhika that who's the most lenient professor and who's the strictest and the most khadus. Without hesitation, she had replied that I was in the most strictest category of all the faculty. So, I mean, that also made me realize that, yes, I need to improvise. I need to have a little easy going over the kids. So in true sense, this year onwards, I've started realizing, yes, my kids. That was the reason why in the beginning, I said I would like to make some confessions that how rigidly I had behaved with the outgoing TY batch when they were in FYs.
But sir, you were not strict with us. You were fine, sir, according to us. You were not strict.
This you were sleeping.
You were really fine, sir. You were really fine and sweet, sir. Thank you for that.
No.
Like,
For
you were not that
yes.
strict. I mean.
With you, yes. Because I had given you freedom. But others will always say.
Right.
So can I make my confessions?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yes. Something which I regretted, but we as teachers, we cannot say and we cannot revert back on our actions. So first, I distinctly remember CIA 2, when I really got angry on Isha Malhotra, and she was almost in tears when she failed to give me her paper in time. And I just said, take this paper home, or you can go and complain to the Princey or Soni ma'am, I don't care. I'm the boss out here. And literally 10 minutes, she was in tears. I had the intention to take back her paper because ultimately, सब बच्चे हमारे ही है. But I wanted to make her realize her mistake of not giving the paper in time, which was wrong. Second, I would say, which I regretted afterwards, was in case of end sem exam, when in spite of telling in the class, Varidi had written answers on the paper. I had clearly mentioned in the class that I don't want, it gives a wrong impression to the supervisor. I made an official complaint. When the concerned person, senior, came, I told that lady outside the room itself, the student is honest, a bright child, do not take action. I don't want that she should be a loser in any way. I can vouch for that. But inside, I need to be wild. I took her paper, I made her cry and gave back the paper, which was wrong. That was my second regret with this batch. Now the good part. I was just searching for Vansh Gupta. I think he has not logged in. Now the good part was, first CIA, I was fresher, I was not knowing. And when I announced the full marks, and I think Ayuri is present because just now I was just looking who are the people who are present on whom I can comment. And when I said she got full marks and an ovation because she was from a science background, absolutely not knowing anything about commerce, and in costing paper when she got full marks, the appreciation which she got when I told everybody to clap, she felt on top of the world. That smile on the face which I cannot forget. Sonali Das used to feel very happy when I used to tell her, yes boss, you are my boss, whatever you tell me I have to forward to the students. That goes without saying. And I came to know very late that Stesha also was one of the CR. Yogesh sir, good evening.
Good evening. Sorry for being late.
No problem.
Nice
Hi,
to
sir.
meet you
Hello,
all.
Hello, sir.
Good
How are you, sir?
gap of
Hello,
time.
sir.
Hi, sir.
Hello, sir.
Or we?
Yes. So what I was saying, so there I felt very happy. Okay, appreciation and bringing a smile on somebody's face makes a lot of difference. And Vansh Gupta, why I said, because that some advice I gave related to non-academics, and perhaps which saved him to a certain extent his career. So he really felt so good and he was eagerly looking forward to meeting me this year. And last I would like to say, I think Javelin is present. I just saw her. Yeah. So Javelin Presto, I remember when you said religiously follow my WhatsApp status and you complimented me. Thank you, because many times I see that she follows me, something which is related to teachers only and to the students only. So these were my good things. And one thing which always students used to feel when they were freshers in F5, that whenever they would ask me, sir, break time, and invariably I would look above the blackboard and tell, abhi to itna hi time hua hai. And the time would have always been perfect. And students would always get confused. How the hell sir knows exact time? Today I'll share that secret, because SY and TY, that moving in the class, majority of you when used to wear watches, I would look at the time So the moment somebody would say, sir, break time, no, it's only this much. But Patricia would look at the walls and people would keep on searching, where's the clock? So my good experience, my regrets, both I have shared. Ashim Hajan is still asking everyone, where's the clock? So yes, kids, it was really fun, a truly learning curve, because since I was a newcomer in Xavier's and you were my first batch, so yes, I used to find it difficult to how to acquaint myself with a new environment, with a new set of students. But without the coordination, without the teamwork, no professor can be successful. So the credit of my success goes to my first batch of Xavier's, that is your batch, which I will never forget. So this is what is a fact. Yeah, this is what I wanted to say.
Shall I say something?
Yes, sir.
First, Lisa, amazing coordination with all students and all teachers. She was like a lawyer, and she passes all the cases of the students to teacher, and she used to call, sir, shall I talk to you now, sir? Sir, is it a right time, sir? So sweet. Okay, Neelam, she is a right student for HR or marketing, because I don't know what she is going to do in future. Whatever she will do it in the best way. I know that, but ayo. So Visa was amazing. CR, I will definitely. I'm actually in 6th sem. I miss Visa, coordinating with Visa for lectures and everything, and probably because of that there is IAPM group. Otherwise, there is no need of group with TYs. Okay. Few experience. You all students are really very good. I still remember taking attendance and calling one number, roll number 39. Then Meher Ambala. Then
yes, Meher, you're from Ambala. That's why sir is saying.
Yes, she's from Ambala. Then in Mumbai, especially after started taking this lecture, Shibla ki thandi kaisi hai, asking Richard, teaching online. Then the first lecture, I guess I started with them, and I was very confused that how to take it and how to go about it, because class mein there is a different story, and here it was really very confusing. But somehow I managed, especially international finance, teaching with the help of Word doc or a Google doc. It was initially very difficult for me to explain you this. But yes, but college, yes, I had good time with you. You all are talented. There's no specific name. You all are talented. American groups, all people from Goa, Merrick, Shamik, and I guess who's Merrick? Who's there? One more guy is from Goa, right? Merrick, Shamik, and
Dale.
Dale.
Yeah.
Dale is from
Yes. So you all are like, I am definitely going to miss you and be in contact.
You will miss them or you will miss Goa?
No, अरे उसके लिए तो गोवा जाएंगे. So all students, all are very good. Okay, all will definitely get good success in future, and very nice. And Jwalan, economics is not the only subject.
I was just about to mention that. Thank you so much, sir. And thanks a lot, Neelam ma'am.
All the best, all the best.
That's so sweet, sir. Oh my God. Sir, actually, after choosing econometrics whole week, I was just crying. I was like, I want to go back to Pratesh sir's subject, but I had to stick through eco. And in 6th sem, if I missed anyone so much, it was your lecture, sir, for sure. And
even I missed one student in my class, Siddharth. Siddharth, Sonali Das.
I would have failed in IAPM.
I don't think so. You ask anyone. IAPM is the more easiest subject.
Can I join now? I don't want to study.
You can ask. I guess.
Your papers.
Yes, I want to say something for Pratesh sir.
Yes, Sonali.
Am I audible?
I just Sonali, give me 2 minutes.
Hello.
I want to give me 2 minutes, Sonali.
Yeah.
Hello, Sonali, 2 minutes. Actually, guys, Apurva mentioned about ESAL, but there is one thing which I want to share with you. See, presently ESAL is doing a great job, and trust me, all credit goes to this batch. It's because they are doing amazing job. They are just holding all things together. And ESAL, Ayurvi, Simran, in fact, Zias, you are in ACL, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And this present SY, they must have learned so many things from TYs, TY ESL. They are doing amazing job. Thanks for that. And you use this particular platform like of online system in a very good manner. Thank you, TY. Ayurvi leading the team. Ayurvi, amazing job, Ayurvi.
Thank you so much, sir. Means a lot
Yes.
coming from you.
And one more thing, last thing. Definitely, I will not gain more knowledge of stock market now because Jainam will not be there. Jainam will not be there. He's a very good researcher, and probably Zinjunwala's wealth will be less after 10-20 years when Jainam will achieve that level because he has that capacity. Amazing, talented person if I talk about stock market.
Thank you so much, sir. It really
Yes.
means a lot, and you've
But
taught me so much. Thank you.
Yeah, don't use this. Follow your name, okay? Because we are watching so many web series and so many movies which are based on Mehta surname. Sir, this is not for you. Huh?
Immediate reaction. Immediate reaction.
But he is amazing. He understands stock and stock market investment. Wonderful. Great.
So junior Mehta, you can help the senior Mehta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sonali, go ahead.
Yes, so I want to say for Pritesh sir, so in my second year, I was like, really struggling with college and extracurriculars, managing my time between both. And Pritesh sir, I think, was the only person who respected like art so much. And he always used to say one thing, that don't leave this, never leave this. And that used to like, leave an impact on me so much that, that you don't need to always expect someone to, in college, especially from professors and anyone who are not like from your field and all, you don't expect them to tell you and support you so much. But Pritesh sir, I think that, always that belief, that helped me a lot. And while choosing the elective, I so wanted to select IAPM because like to be in his class, and because he made money so easy and important at the same time. I realized the importance, but I knew I won't have the time to study this semester, so I couldn't take his subject. And I really regret that, sir, but I really wish to learn from you a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sonali. You are a very good student and
Sir,
very
I
good
would like to
person.
add something to it.
Yes.
So not just art, but just how a person would be, and even when any of us struggled, especially me, you took us aside and like you actually talked to us, and that I think helped a lot of us because even with Neelam ma'am, I think the worst projects I've ever done throughout my BMS would be Neelam ma'am's subjects, but each and every single time, instead of putting us down, she would just give us ways and lessons as to which how we can better ourselves, and that was it's all been a very good experience from both of you guys. So thank
Siddharth,
you.
now you are making me believe it was an intentional strategy.
No, ma'am, it was not. We genuinely tried.
I personally feel, this is my opinion. I could be wrong, but he's the he's very talented. Siddhant is very talented. It's very talented. In fact, I don't know how much marks he scored, what is his CGPA, but he should be in first 3 in terms of CGPA and all. He's amazing. He's very very talented person. I don't know because of some or other issue. Which
thank you, sir.
Yeah, but he's ultimate. He's a talented person.
Pritesh, they're all going to cry, I think, towards the end.
Can I say something?
Yes, Tesha.
You know, I like to believe that I come off as a confident person, but I get very nervous to talk sometimes. So that's why it took me so long to say, like, you know, can I say something? But this is not directed to anyone, like not like a particular professor or any student, but it's like pretty much to everyone on this call. So I'm pretty sure that, you know, even when like professors now, when you look back and stuff, even my parents, they mostly look back on school times. Yeah. And very few people know this, but I didn't have like the best school time. And whenever I ask someone, like, you know, because I just wanted to know for myself, like, do you like school more or do you like college more? And everyone somehow always says school. But like, it wasn't that way for me. And I think everything plays a role, like be it your teachers, your friends, everything. It wasn't that I had like a very traumatic experience, but it just wasn't what it was, like how college is for me. They both were on 2 complete opposite ends of the spectrum. And I think it all goes to everyone I met over here. And honestly speaking, when I moved here to Bombay, I had like a very different thinking process. I had one thing in mind, that I'm only going to come to Bombay to study. I'm not going to have any close friends. I'm not going to have any best friends. I'm just going to like study, and anyone I interact with is only for academic purposes. That's it. And literally this entire class changed my entire perspective on, like, you know, because I'm someone who takes a lot of time to get close to someone. And when I do, it took me like the entire first year, but when I do, I got so attached. I remember after first sem got over, I told everyone, we only have 5 semesters left, guys. Like, I was literally like so sad. And yeah, I just want to thank literally everyone on this call, even the juniors. Like, in some way or the other, everyone has helped make my entire journey in Bombay like so amazing.
Can I add one thing?
Yes, Isha.
So I think adding to Siddhant, it's very true. Pritesh sir, I think along with being a professor, you have been such a great friend. I remember this one time in FY after an incident. I was quite upset about something, and I didn't, even though I didn't show it, I think Pritesh sir recognized it, and he sat down with me and talked to me about it. And I was so vulnerable in front of him because he's such a great friend and so empathetic. And I really thank you, sir, for that. And you've been a really great professor. Even though I wasn't in your elective, I always used to remember Pritesh sir's lecture.
Whether whatever subject you select that decides your career, or you decide on the basis of what you want to be in future. So whether you select my subject or not, that's secondary. Okay, you are my student, you will be my student.
Right. And for Neela ma'am, I would really like to thank her for being so honest, brutally honest, and not sugarcoating her reviews when it comes to like CIs and all that. Because I think it's a big reality check for, at least that's what I feel, it's a big reality check for her students. And also, I would love to, in the next 10-15 years, I would love to be as confident and sassy as ma'am is today.
Thank you, Isha.
देख नीलम, तेरे जैसा कोई बनना चाहता है.
Yogesh sir, if you also want to say something.
I would like to say something, but I am too tired today because of the heavy day and the short notice. Anyway, as a parting advice, I would like to say all the best to all of you, and be sincere, be honest, be hardworking, and pursue further studies, because in today's time, just the graduation is not enough. So definitely take the opportunity to pursue further studies. I would be missing, and I have been missing for last 1 year, the college environment and my lovely students. And though I am tired, but I took the opportunity to get in for some time so that I could see the faces of all the students. My face, I am going to remember all of you. Of course, by name, it is going to be difficult, but I would be definitely trying to recognize you whenever you have the opportunity to meet me. Apart from that, I would like to say that I am available at any point of time for whatever advice or whatever support or whatever I can do for all my students. I am always available. My phone number is already with all of you. So I am just one WhatsApp away, and you can WhatsApp me, and at an appropriate time, I will call you back and definitely try to interact with you.
This was a really,
Many
emotional.
fond students I am going to miss after your TY, but then that is the process I have been used to with last 15 years. Every year, some or other batch leaves us, and we wish them all the best for happy career, happy family life, and a lot of love and blessings.
Thank you so much, sir. We're gonna miss you.
Thank you very much. This pandemic,
Thank
I
you,
had
sir.
one wish. I had one wish. I not able to complete that wish. I wanted to meet Abby Kurvilla.
Pritesh, you should have come for the parent-teacher meet.
He actually, what happened in FY first year, he came and he met me. But that time, those days when he used to play, he used to look very young. And I used to follow because he was the tallest bowler in Indian cricket team those days. And one day I was asking this girl in class, Sanjana, your surname is very much similar to one cricketer. She asked me, who, sir? Abby Kurvilla. Sir, he's my father.
Yeah.
He replied back to me.
So I was like, no, he can't be. He's not your father.
Guys, you should know what happened that day when Pritesh sir came to the staff room. So anyways, I am zoned out. And he comes and tells me, Neelam, I have to tell you something. I'm like, yeah. And I think I was busy with something or I don't know what. So I said, ruk. Nee, tu sun, jaldi sun, tu sun. So I'm like, kya hai? तेरे को मालूम है संजना का फादर कौन है? I'm like, कौन है? Abby Kurvilla. मैं कौन है? Abby Kurvilla कौन है? She's like, तू जा यार, तुझे कुछ नहीं पता. I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है. Then I realized, he's a cricketer.
He was an amazing bowler.
God.
Some politics.
I remember in FY you scolded me and then I used to run away from you because I was scared like Pritesh was going to yell at me again. But then you turned out to be the most chilled out professor ever.
That is after he realized who your father is, Sanjana.
No, I'm no.
FI, I'm a different person, Dilip. FI, I do all naughty. Yeah, this is
FI, so I was so scared of him. Like I would be like in the corner or the upset in the class, but then he became super friendly.
Actually, all the professors were scary in the first year. Second year, we were a little more closer to each other. Yeah.
Oh, so, and I thought I was the most scary. Good. I mean, I was not the only one.
Right off the bat.
Never scary.
Right off the bat, Pritesh sir used to be the most scary, sir, actually.
See? Used to do it in
remember when he would pick on the smartest students in the class. I'm not going to say smartest. He would pick on all the people who scored well in their 12th, and he would constantly pick on them. Yeah, and even if they answer, he would keep asking questions until they don't know something, so that they feel like they are dumb.
Strategy.
It was their bad luck that if the students who scored well were commerce students.
And the best part, only the science students answered. None of the commerce students answered any of the questions, actually. It was true only. Only science students knew the answer.
Because over the period of time I realized that commerce students used to sleep my in class because it's very common subject for them. So I started using this strategy. Bhai, tum log ko kuch nahi aata. So that you then students become competitive. That's what.
Look at Arsalan, Pritesh. We started pretending we
Yes.
were non-commerce.
Okay, so everything comes to an end. So to end this farewell, we come to our last segment. And one last time, one last tour of St. Xavier's. We've prepared a montage for you.
Oh.
Akash?
Yes.
Nila, ajo.
Ready, guys?
Ajo. Bass.
One last nostalgic moment.
The bass.
Very nice.
Not only students, but even we become
Professors also.
Yeah.
I saw that.
Seriously, wherever you are in future, after this pandemic over, please come to college. Please come to college. We will have one class with all of you. Take your time, come back to college. We'll sit in TY class because you never sat in TY class. We'll sit in TY
Yes,
class. It's real, and try to avoid Chinese books. Try to avoid Chinese books. They done all wrong thing with us. At least for this, because I really miss this. Meeting you every day, 8 o'clock, running for the train. Then I'm going to miss you all, and it was a very hard time for you all of us actually. Definitely after 2 months, 3 months, or probably 6 months, we'll come out from this. After this, we will definitely meet you. Correct, Neelam? Correct, all the professors? Kishan sir is not there, I guess. Yes.
So this was a lovely conversation between the professors and the students, and I guess everybody got very emotional, but I was happy to see how you all were confessing your heart out to each other, because I guess this is the last time when we are also witnessing your bond and the thing that you all share. And I'm glad that we were able to conduct this for you all. So now we have an yearbook for you, and I'm gonna post it here in the chat box, the link for the same. And we would love if you go through it. Just a second, I'll put it.
It's a small token of love and a parting present to all the TYs. I really hope that you loved it because we've put our hearts and soul in creating it. Thank you.
Very good work, Radhika and SY students.
Yes, I think Abin, Akash, Radhika, Vishakha, and Fariz, all of you, thank you for taking this initiative and making the TYs feel so special.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am,
But-
actually, there are a lot of more people, which is
Yeah.
Fatima, Saranya.
We had a
Vish,
big team.
and
Ashima,
all is wise,
Danica.
all is wise, all is
Yes.
wise.
Everybody, ma'am.
But one thing is sure here, I don't want to, have a farewell party with current SY like this.
Same, sir. Like we got so emotional when you all were discussing everything. Like we don't want our third year to go like this.
And
We really want to.
probably that time we'll call all the TY, wherever they are, they will come. They will
Yes, sir. Call us. We'll come.
Shreya,
We'll come, sir. We'll definitely come.
yes, yes,
So we want our photo in the black robes.
yes, yes. And especially in God of
Merrick, you're in black now.
yes.
Okay, so I have put the link so you all can go through the yearbook.
Vishakha, I can't access it.
Oh, just a second, ma'am.
See, others can access it, the
Yes,
yearbook.
yes, yes.
Oh,
Neelam.
then there'll be some problem with mine.
No. Access is not given. Correct.
No.
Just a second. I'll check with it. It'll just take a minute. Just a second. Radhika?
Can you try with the last link and check if you can open it?
I'm sending it to Sanjana also so that she can forward it to your class group just in case.
Can you access it?
Radhika, you just need. I think it says it's not about permission. It's about the file is too large. To
Yeah.
All right. So, okay. So what we do is we,
To
yeah.
access it. Because the file is too large, you'll have to download it to access it. So
No, so it's not getting downloaded as well.
So what
if
we'll
I'm
do
not
is
wrong.
we'll compress it. Just save the links with you. We'll compress it and upload another one on this link itself, right? So we'll send it. We'll send it to one of the TYs so they can put it on the class group as well, if that's all right.
Yeah, that should be okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess we are done with all the performances. With all
Hey
the
guys, I was
concessions.
able to download it. Sorry.
Yes.
After you download it, you're able to see it, guys.
Wait
Download
for
it.
it. wait
Cortina
for-
was
wait for
right.
it. Yeah.
Even the TYs will be able to do that.
Yeah, just download it. You'll be able to see it.
Yeah.
If anybody can confirm so that, you know,
Yeah, please.
from the TYs.
I can view it in Prism.
Yeah. You can see it, right? I mean,
yes.
PDF.
Okay. So
thank you. Okay, guys. So we come to an end.
For the
This
farewell,
is
yeah.
from our side. We'll miss you next year.
And we love you, all of you. And thank you, all the professors, to be here and speak to the TYs. It really meant a lot.
We probably get.
I hope that
I
was
don't think they want to log off.
Yeah, thank you to you guys for like putting the whole thing up, especially like 10 days before the examination and just like passing on Google Forms for us to fill in. And it was so sweet. It was such a sweet gesture. We were not expecting anything at all. We were just about to graduate and then this happened. That was very sweet and very thoughtful. So thank you so much, guys, for that.
Thank you.
And we're going to miss you too.
Yay.
Yeah, we'll keep on having these farewells in class also. No, now every last class, Pritesh will have farewell with you also. They'll have farewell with me also now. No?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay, guys, have fun.
Have fun. Love you all,
Thank you so
guys.
much.
Love you all.
Love you too, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.